Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's like I'm going to make a snacks option. There's a snacks recipe with just egg as a major ingredient. So I am back to back making all those minimalistic recipes in which you can just use 2 or 3 ingredients, and which is very commonly available in majority of the households, and you can get a very tasty and delicious food. And so today's dish is going to be a snack item, and that is a egg pakora basically. So let's dive into the video, but before beginning it, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So let's dive into the recipe. So first let me go into the details of what all are required for this egg pakora recipe. So here I have taken the eggs. So these are the boiled eggs which I have taken. The eggs are supposed to be in the intact this size, but this shape, but then this things broke, but then it's manageable. It's not a problem even if it's distorted. So these are the eggs which I have taken. These are just boiled eggs. I have boiled it, hard boiled eggs. Apart from that, I have taken salt according to my taste, a little turmeric powder, a lot of chili powder. Preferably take chili powder only. Do not use green chilies, because we are going to mix all these things with the besan and just fry it like a pakoda thing. So if it is like the green chili, it might come out and it won't even look or even taste good. So, and apart from that, the last ingredient is garlic and ginger. So garlic is one of the major contributor of the taste in the entire recipe. So just when you're taking the ginger and garlic, I have taken, you can see the ginger and garlic, the proportion is like 1:2. Like if 1 is my ginger and 2 proportions of garlic I have taken. So that is how it is supposed to be. So first thing we have to do is that make the paste of the ginger and garlic. So you have to make a very fine and smooth paste of ginger and garlic, and we'll be then making the batter of the complete thing. Now as you see that I have already made a very fine paste of this ginger and garlic which was shown, and in the meanwhile I have also cut the eggs into pieces. So I have to cut it from the, you have to, when you're cutting the eggs, you have to ensure that the yolk and the egg white is there in both the halves, or how many ever halves that you are making. So I have cut it so that every portion of it has the yolk also and the egg white as well. So now I have transferred the basin to this bowl, and with this I am going to mix all this turmeric and salt and chili powder which is available here, and then I'm going to make a batter out of it along with the ginger garlic paste. So ginger garlic paste also will be going into here itself. See here I have added the all turmeric, chili powder, salt and the ginger garlic paste also. Just a note of caution, don't add water to make the batter before you are adding the ginger garlic paste, because when you are adding the ginger garlic paste, it itself has some bit of water which might not give you an estimate about how much water quantity is required. So now I will be putting the water slightly and then mixing it so as to get an idea about how much water is required to get the perfect consistency of my basin batter. So you just mix small quantity of the water and then get an idea about how the water should be, how much the consistency, how much is the amount of the water required. I'll show you the consistency which is required for this particular batter. So let's just, my batter is actually done. Like I have done it like so many times that I've got an estimate about the water quantity which is required. So this is my batter, and this is the particular consistency which I am looking for. You see? So now once the batter is made, the next thing is definitely to deep fry the same. So let's go and do that. The next step is definitely frying the pakoras, right? So I have already taken the karai which I am just warming up to put the oil. You have to deep fry it, so you have to put generous quantity of the water, oil, so as to so that the pakoras get soaked completely into the oil. So you just have to make the karai like half full kind of a thing. Let the oil warm up, and then one by one coat the eggs which is there and the batter which is already being made. So let me just once again show you the consistency. it should be like this. It should not be like very watery, it should not be very thick also. So now I will just be like coating the eggs one by one and will be putting it into the kadai. Let's start by coating it. Just have to coat it like the normal regular pakora on all the sides so that it gets covered. But just remember, don't put the egg on, flip the egg on the side where the yolk is there, then it might have a possibility of the yolk coming out of the egg. So just make sure it gets coated very nicely, and then you just put it into the karai which has the warm oil in it. See, that is how one by one I'm gonna do it. See, my pakoras are getting cooked now. So just see, and it has started becoming a little brownish on one side, because this was the first one which I had put inside. So once it has become brownish on one side, again you can see the sides getting brown. You just flip it on the other side so that the both sides get cooked nicely. See, now that I have flipped on the other side, you can see that, the other side had already become brown. I am cooking on the flipped all of these things in the other side. Now just cooking it again. See, these two are already done. Just wanted to show you the glimpse when I'm picking it up from the oil. See? So that is how it should be cooked on both the sides. So now it's done. You just have to fry all the quantities of the egg that you have made in this way, and then fry it on both the sides. Just remember, in this basin, the only major thing is that you have to add the ginger garlic paste. That is what adds the complete taste to it. So yeah, that's all about today's recipe. Hope you have enjoyed it and hope it was useful for you. And stay tuned to my channel for more such interesting uploads. Till my next upload, take care, bye bye. Stay tuned.